All right, we are here for the race car event. Our flight actually was delayed, so they had to rebook us on American, but at least they did that for us, right? Okay, let me try that again. This is the right place. We've got the race track checkers and everything, and dinner. Hey, this looks delicious. Just wanna. All right, it is Monday morning. Ready. Some snacks to go. Time to get ready. So later today, the actual ramp crew is going to be coming for the same training, but next level. All right, we have a shuttle. Beautiful fall colors too. Just a beautiful day to be doing some fun race car stuff. So this is the actual schedule for the real airline people. All right.
Brown tile there. Back in 2001, around the time that the NASCAR pit crew came into what we call the modern era. Of course, NASCAR has been around for quite some time now. Rooted here in the Carolinas, it dates back to Prohibition, right? When back in just talk about the details, right?
All right, here it is, my first glimpse of the pit row here. Oh, the excitement is building. See, there's viewpoint.
Right? We have, of course, a 6 pit stall pit road. These are speedway oil container, right, or gas station. So you see a little bit of connection there, right? But they were the first Toyota factory-backed team when they entered the sport in 2005. That was when Toyota came into NASCAR.
This engine is immense. Water bottle for scale. All right, looks like they're doing some pre-pit stretching. It's the United car.
Stuffed something? Stuffed avocado.
Oh, is that what it is?
Turn the fastest pitch down. Come on, thing. We got to have those back. But the fire suits will cover up your normal clothes to keep them safe from getting.
Ka-chow, ka-chow. Okay, so we can choose our color of gloves, and we don't get to keep these cool jackets, but man, they are super sexy.
3,
in the record books, Team 2. So this is rank number 1. This is rank 25. We've got 512 different teams ranked now. And
forward lunge. So you're gonna start on your left leg. So you're gonna dip.
Jack on the ground. He's making contact with the jack plate against the jack post indicated by this orange arrow. Don't jack the car off the jack stands, because if the car is shifted off the jack stands, that could be a little bit dangerous. Be able to see all the lug nuts on that pattern, and he's going to take those 5 lug nuts off. The carrier is on. There's a button on the gun. You're going to switch the button on the gun. These guys are pushing the tires on. Now they're going to put 5 lug nuts on.
With your hand, split your fingers just like that, and you want to split the spoke in between. So don't grab in between the spokes, you want to grab the spoke itself, all right? And you'll have the left hand on the car, and whenever that changes.
Hey, I'm telling you.
Oh, fuck, no.
It's so heavy.
Well, you're doing the gas thing,
Like,
guy.
yeah, there's no way.
So, just that, there you go. There you go, nice. Lug nuts. So on this side, I kind of noticed towards the end you got more of like a feel.
All right, that was pretty awesome. And now we got some neat treats. We've got the water bottle that looks like fuel. And then some